Locating places on Earth, Part 2. Study about latitudes. What is a latitude? Latitude क्या है? Definition इसकी है equator, imaginary circular line running on the globe, divides it into two equal parts. The northern half of the Earth is known as the northern hemisphere and the southern part is known as the southern hemisphere. All parallel circles from the equator up to the pole are called latitudes. As we move away from the equator, the size of the parallels of latitude decreases. Latitude, it has different measurements. Latitudes are measured in degrees. The equator represents the 0-degree latitude. Since the distance from the equator to either of the poles is 1/4 of the circle around the Earth, it will measure 1/4 of 360 degrees as of 90 degrees of latitude. Thus, 90-degree north latitude marks the North Pole and 90-degree south latitude marks the South Pole. Now, further explaining it, आगे अगर हम बढ़ते हैं, all parallels north of the equator are called northern latitudes. जो lines north की तरफ बढ़ रही हैं वो northern latitudes कहलाती हैं. Similarly, all parallels जो south की तरफ equator की तरफ से बढ़ती हैं, those are called south latitudes. For example, Chandrapur in Maharashtra, India, 20-degree latitude north of the equator, thus 20 degrees north. Belo Horizonte in Brazil, South America, 20-degree latitude south of the equator, thus 20 degrees south. Now, what is the importance of parallels of latitude? Besides the equator, the North Pole 90-degree north and the South Pole 90-degree south, there are 4 important parallels of latitudes. First, Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 north in the northern hemisphere. Second is Tropic of Capricorn, which is again 23.5 of south in the southern hemisphere. Arctic Circle at 66.5 north of the equator, Antarctic Circle at 66.5 south of the equator. Latitudes. Further, going for it, that is the heat zone of the Earth. Torrid zone. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This area therefore receives the maximum heat and is called the torrid zone. Now comes the temperate zone. What is a temperate zone? The midday sun never shines overhead on any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The angle of sun's rays goes on decreasing towards the north, towards the poles. As such, the area bounded by the Tropic of Cancer and Antarctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere have moderate temperatures. Therefore, these are therefore called temperate zones. Now comes the frigid zones. Frigid zones का क्या मतलब होता है? जो बहुत ठंडे regions होते हैं. Areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere are very cold. Means the two poles are very cold poles, and that explains that they are the coolest of all. मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा ठंडे poles हैं Earth के. It is because here the sun does not rise much above the horizon. यहाँ पे सूरज की किरणें नहीं आती हैं. Therefore, it raises are away, always slanting and provides less heat. यहाँ पे सूरज की जो किरणें हैं वो स्लांट होती हैं, जिसकी वजह से यहाँ पे पूरी रोशनी नहीं आती है और यहाँ पे हीट उतनी नहीं पहुंचती जितनी दूसरे इक्वेटर वाली एरियाज में आती हैं. तो यहाँ दिस इज कॉल्ड therefore called fridge zone, means very extremely cold. I hope आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. Watch out for the next part 3. Thank you.